Computational medicine is a multidisciplinary research area which develops and advances new computing technologies in the applications to the problems of human health. Sano research agenda combines traditional physics-based simulations with modern AI and machine learning driven approaches, combined with advanced computing technologies, virtual reality and robotics.
When establishing Sano, we were aiming at creating a new kind of organization that was not present in our region before. Sano is an independent, non-profit organization, and it's completely autonomous. And thanks to that, it is able to pursue its research plan in an optimal way. Sano, as a non-governmental organization, an NGO, is located in between of public academic institutions and industry, and therefore we believe it provides a very specific additional opportunity for young scientists to pursue their scientific careers, their scientific ambitions with us.
22 international scientists from different countries, different culture, for example, from Ethiopia, Indonesia, Italy, Portugal, Spain, USA, UK, Ukraine, Romania, Turkey, working together for better future of medicine. Interdisciplinary and diversity, not in theory, in practice. Working together for better future of medicine.
My team is developing the concept of citizen before patient, trying to address the individual contribution on their path towards preventing from the development of certain diseases that have a huge impact on healthcare providers and also on healthcare costs. For that, we are fundamentally looking to new approach from machine learning, developing foundational models that would allow us to understand how certain elements of a disease path interact, from treatment to diagnose, to a digital path that can help us to understand the disease better and have an impact on how we address them.
Our team is dedicated to advancing healthcare with cutting-edge research and technology. We leverage recent developments in fields such as machine learning, computer simulation, virtual and augmented reality, as well as robotics. We employ various patient-specific data types such as medical images, electronic health records, and socioeconomic factors in order to help clinicians make better decisions.
My team is focused on medical imaging, more specifically in neuroimaging, and we leverage new technologies like AI, image processing, even quantum computing to find new biomarkers to detect some disease from images. For example, Alzheimer, Parkinson, or also neurodegeneration or brain tumors.
This is a clinical data science team. We're specialized in network medicine and AI. Network medicine is essentially the science of studying disease and genes and drugs that can target these diseases and understanding the genetics of these diseases. This is why it's called network medicine. And we use AI tools to basically explore the networks that we design, understand the networks, understand the biology of the disease, understand the treatment of some of the disease, and also discover treatments of new disease.
So, in order to carry out research at the forefront of medical science, just like with any other kind of science, we are nowadays critically reliant on IT technologies. And this includes a variety of solutions, from high-performance computing to large-scale data management to AI technologies, which are nowadays becoming very popular, to things like wearable devices and embedded systems. And as can be perhaps expected, medical researchers and medical practitioners do not necessarily possess in-depth knowledge regarding the ways in which these advanced IT tools can be successfully and efficiently employed in the course of research, which is where the scientific programming team at Sano comes into play.
Business development at Sano means engagement and collaboration with external partners. And this includes other researchers, but also clinicians, hospitals and industry, because our aim is to translate our fundamental research performed here in Sano by the research teams into the real-life environment of the hospitals and patients globally.
I think that we are living in remarkable times when AI has got the potential to transform medicine, and our solutions that we're developing here are exactly for that. The solutions that we're developing are aimed to help people in their most vulnerable moments, but also we're working with clinicians and institutions that, like hospitals, that can use on a bigger scale solutions developed at Sano to help with diagnostic process, and in the end shorten the time for treatment.